So if you want to have a precision gas gun, something that's extremely important is that you have a billet upper and lower receiver. Why billet? Billet just means they're CNC machined to be a perfect match, perfectly machined. They're tight. If I grab this gun and wiggle it, there's almost no play between this upper receiver and this lower receiver. Basically, I want you to think of that as your bedding. When we get a precision rifle stock that may have aluminum pillars and then glass bedded, or a full-length aluminum bedding block, we torque that action down into that stock so it doesn't have any stress. That way when you fire the weapon system and the energy is flowing through the rifle, there's minimal vibration, minimal movement causing inconsistencies in the rifle. Exact same thing with a billet upper and a billet lower. So moving from that, we'll go on to the barrel. A lot of times you hear guys say, oh, my precision gas gun's got a free-floated barrel. Even some people list that on their websites. Well, a free-floated barrel means the barrel is not touching anything. You cannot have a free-floated barrel on a gas gun, because in order for it to be a gas gun, it has to use gas to cycle. That gas is captured and brought back to the bolt carrier group via the gas block and the gas tube. So you have a gas block that's clamped onto your barrel, or when you fire it, the gas goes up in the barrel and then goes down the gas tube, pushing on the gas key at the top of the bolt carrier group, cycling the weapon. So you may say, well, how does that affect barrel harmonics if it's not a truly free-floated barrel? Well, part of tuning a precision gas gun, which is something we're going to talk about in a later episode, is you want to tune the gas block to where the bolt carrier group is getting minimal movement while the bullet's still in the barrel, and it really unlocks when the bullet's out of the barrel, so therefore it's not moving while the bullet's in the barrel, creating vibrations that can cause harmonic inconsistencies. Doing that, like I said, you can, if you tune the gas gun properly, it'll help you get really good groups. Like I said, this gun here shoots sub ½ inch. Now what you will hear on precision gas guns is they have a free floating handguard. That means the handguard isn't touching the barrel, and I can drive that into a barricade, I can lay it on a tripod, I can use it to work the rifle and get it into a stable shooting position without having to worry about it putting pressure on my barrel, influencing barrel harmonics. So precision gas guns, while they don't have free-floated barrels, you want to make sure they have free-floated handguards and adjustable gas blocks where you can tune that gas system to have minimal feedback into the weapon system while the bullet's still in the barrel. Lastly, we'll move into the triggers. These are Trigger Tech Diamonds, and these gas guns built by Helanbak Arms. These triggers are excellent. They're set at 2 pounds. I move one up to 2.5 pounds. They have a minimal creep. They're just like precision rifle triggers and allow me to use the same light grip and good trigger discipline, trigger control, should I say, as I use on my precision bolt guns. In closing, you want to make sure that your gas gun has a billet upper and lower with no play in it, a free-floated handguard, a barrel with an adjustable gas block, and a good trigger setup. If you can get that in a gas gun, that's kind of what makes it a precision gas gun versus just a regular AR-15 or AR-10. You should have, using quality ammo, you should have good success with that at the range. I'm Logan Copeland with Surgical Precision, and remember, make your next shot your best shot.
Trigger Time TV is brought to you by Bravo Company Manufacturing, Bravo Company USA, Heckler & Koch, Skinner Sights, EOTech, Car Arms, G-Force Arms, Hollow Sun, Helanbak, Magnum Research, Thompson Auto Ordnance, and Biggest Finest Revolver.
We would like to dedicate today's show to the men and women of the United States military and law enforcement, the people that stand in the gap and keep our country free. God bless America.